Taos-puso kaming nagpapasalamat sa pagsubaybay ninyo.
Bahagi na ng tahanan ng bawat Pilipino ang MMK. Sa bawat kwento, maaari kang manalo ng cellphone load or 10,000 pesos cash kapag ikaw ang unang nabunot na may tamang title ng episode. Para makasali, i-text ang MMK space title at isend sa 2366. Kapamilya, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagtangkilik sa MMK.
Good day everyone. My name is John Lloyd Tadillo and I am second year hospitality management student. In my free time, I enjoy playing online mobile games. It helps me relax and have fun. It also teaches me teamwork and communication, which I believe are important in hospitality management. For my MICE challenge, I create an event called Connect the Youth Experience Expo 2026. Our tagline is Create, Discover, and Connect. The theme is about youth, culture, creativity, and connection. Our target participations are students and young people who want to meet others, learn new things, and have fun. The unique feature of my event is interactive experience zone where participants can join activities, try new experiences, and interact with other people. For this event, my role will be the event coordinator and host. I would help organize and the event coordinate with the team and make sure the participants have a good experience. I believe that a successful event is not only about having a good program. It is also about making people feel welcome and creating memorable experiences. Once again, I am John Lloyd Tadillo and welcome to Connect the Youth Experience Expo 2026. Connect, discover, and create. Thank you.
Dahil sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta, hindi lang sa TV mapapanood ang mga inihahanda naming espesyal at totoong kwento para sa inyo. Ang fresh episodes ng hashtag MPK ay available rin via live streaming sa YouTube. Kahit saan at kahit kailan, sabay-sabay natin tunghayan ang magpakailanman.